Hi, this is James from Dental Savings Club. You probably heard about Garrison Dental, the manufacturer of premium matrix systems. Let me show you why they have to be your go-to matrix system. Is your actual matrix ring hard to open? Popping off? Giving you poor flash control? No retention? No wide prep control? If you said yes to any of those questions, then Garrison has to be the only matrix you use. No ring pop-off. Superior grip. Excellent flash control. Handles wide preps. Strong tooth separation. Get peace of mind and increase your productivity. The Garrison Matrix system is an easy-to-use, predictable, no-flash matrix system that will allow you to complete your restorations in a heartbeat. Now faster and more predictable. Reliable, tight contacts. Drawn wire nickel titanium plus PEEK produces consistent separating pressure longer. Easier, more predictable contours. Marginal ridge enhancements built into the matrix bands and rings help provide that finishing flair. Faster, less frustrating class 2s. The Garrison rings, bands and wedges combine for a 270 degrees seal for ultimate flash control. The rings won't spring off the tooth, and the wide preparation ring makes tough wide preps no problem. With the Garrison Savings Club, you get free products such as micro-scrub applicators, cut composite polishers, Wolf Cam intraoral camera, or even a free Wolf high-speed handpiece on every Garrison purchase. Why miss on those freebies? Visit our website at dentalsavingsclub.com or contact us at our toll-free number for more info on our products.